Hey there, it's also here, the assassin. Today I want to talk about the rise of Reddit. So if you've been involved at all in content marketing, SEO and a few other digital marketing endeavors, you would have come across Reddit, no doubt. Now, it started in 2005. Two guys at Virginia University started a website as an experiment. They call it a social news aggregation site. And it has lots of forums where you can post your opinion on things, you can have discussions, and it really provides that for a number of niches. You can pick your industry niche or your hobby niche or whatever niche, and you can become involved in that community. It was sold not that long after the two guys started it to one of the big publishing houses, Conde, and that can continue to bubble along and support it, but not really make that much until they did an IPO last year and it went nuts. So March 2024, they listed it on the stock market, and it now has a market cap of US $10 billion. But they've done pretty well out of that. It's also seen a surge in the last year or so of about 46% in its user base. One of the main reasons it does so well is that the users get to vote. They vote up or vote down comments or articles or opinions, and the stuff that is the most popular rises to the top. Very democratic in that way. And the stuff that does really well ends up on the front page of Reddit. So it got all this user-generated content, which is very unique, and Google loved it. And it has a lot of influence on how products and services and other things are ranked on Google because of the voting, the democracy side of Reddit. That does really well to help with Google. The other thing that it has lucked upon, in a way, is the rise of AI. So all of the chatbots like ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, Perplexity, and others, they rely on the content from Reddit for answers to a lot of questions that people have. So if you've got a problem in your niche and you're in software engineering and you don't know how to solve something, you can put that on a forum in Reddit and a whole bunch of users will give you their opinion and their answers, and then they'll get voted, and the top ones with the most votes will rise to the top. So that'll be the best answer to that question. So those things work really well in the answer engine optimization stakes, which is going to influence all of the AI chatbots. Once AI has a big influence on search, you really need to go and join as a user, get involved in your industry and how it's used, start participating and make it part of the marketing plan. If you notice lately, there's even ads. Reddit is running ads in Australia because the Australian audience is only 4% of the global audience of Reddit. But it's not, that's the big thing. It's the influence on the Google algorithm, the results that come from the Google algorithm that are Reddit influenced, as well as the stuff on the chatbots. Reddit, certainly worth getting involved in. Thanks.